Google search works in three stages. First, crawling, second, indexing, and third, serving search results. Many people, companies, and organizations, universities make their website. As soon as they released or updated their websites over internet, Google comes into play. Google has an automated program also called as algorithms which are looking for new or updated web pages over internet constantly. They will pick such pages and start analyzing it. Once it has analyzed, second stage will come, that is indexing. During indexing, Google analyzes the content, images, video files in the page and trying to understand what the page is about. This information is stored in Google Index. For analogy, you can consider this index as similar as any back of the book index with an entry for every word seen on every web page we index. But in reality, it will be much more organized. The Google search index contains hundreds of billions of web pages. Next stage is serving search results. When users search in Google search, Google tries to determine the highest relevant quality results. These quality results are determined based on user location, language, device, and user previous search queries. If you search for car repair shop, you will find different results in India and in US. One fact is Google doesn't accept payments to rank pages higher, and ranking is done algorithmically. To return relevant results for your query, Google first needs to establish what information you are looking for, the intent behind your query. This ultimately means understanding the language. This involves interpreting the spelling mistakes, understanding the type of query, and establishing the relation between multiple words. For example, you can see different search queries with same keyword means different and with different intent. If you want to know more on how Google search works, then head over to google.com. In the footer, you will see the link called How Search Works. Let's click on it. This page will open. You are seeing the 4 tabs present here. The first tab is How Google Search Works. This is a brief overview of how Google Search works from start to end. The second tab is Organizing Information. This tab talks about how Google Search finds information present over the web by crawling and organizing that information in the form of indexing. The third tab is Search Algorithm. This tab talks about how Google search algorithm works under the hood. So we have seen this search algorithm works from finding the meaning of your query, relevance of the web pages, quality of content, usability of web pages, and the context from which the user is searching from. And the next tab is useful responses. Whatever information Google found for your query, how to represent those information in a useful form to the user, this tab talks about that.